scientists are trying to see if they can manipulate nature a little bit and turn things around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more showers. These scientists fly right at thunderstorms, high-tech rain farmers planting seeds in the clouds to help them rain longer.
Essentially, we're giving the clouds sort of a shot of adrenaline.
Pilots navigate through a growing thunderstorm's updraft and set off silver iodide flares.
And flares away.
It's a chemical that mimics ice crystals and travels through the storm, attracting supercooled water droplets. When they become too heavy, the ice falls and melts on its way down. More ice crystals mean more rain. Back on the ground, the scientists wait.
And the seeding happens right about here, and we notice that everything is still increasing as far as the liquid in the cloud.
Storms grow larger, but not stronger. They estimate over 2 times as much rain falls from seeded clouds.
Because we don't create rain from thin air, we have to work with what's out there.
We're seeding or modifying the weather on such a small scale. We know today, as we knew 20 years ago, that you have to work with the hand that Mother Nature deals you.
And in a severe drought, a lack of moisture means fewer clouds to seed. Bomer says cloud seeding is a long-term water management strategy, not a quick fix.
I see a really thick shower due west there right now.
Weather modification isn't new. Cloud seeding started as a way to suppress large hail in the 1970s.
I was fascinated at the impact that seeding using just a couple of airplanes could have on a monstrous thunderstorm.
But after years of research, Bomer believes widespread weather modification techniques are around the corner.
Always before, we thought that seeded growth was finding additional water down below. Why don't we in turn start looking about drilling up into the atmosphere? Because the marvelous thing about the atmosphere is that it's replenished every day.
And that was Natalie Stoll from affiliate KXAN. Individual water conservation districts in Texas pay 4 cents an acre to seed clouds over their counties. Federal regulators are reportedly preparing new rules to make sure that your access to the internet won't be limited. The proposals would prohibit internet service providers, including wireless companies, from blocking or slowing down your access to selected online content. For example, if a cable company offers internet service, it won't be allowed to block websites that provide videos of the programming on its TV channels. The telecommunications industry strongly opposes so-called net neutrality rules. Some people call him Rabbi Rambo. This man of God prepares to take on terrorists by using force and firepower